Wow. This file is still in control, but my physical TBR is not, so I have to do this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trishita Reads. I am Trishita, and in the month of December, I have to do something because my bookshelf is flying with books right now. It does not have a single space and my parcels are just lying on the ground, and it is a situation that I am scared of the most.
I do not have any space in my bookshelf.
All of the books on my shelf are not read, okay? They are on my TBR. This is very concerning, and that is the reason why I thought that I will be reading 31 books in 31 days in the month of December. You definitely have this question in your mind that why are you doing this to yourself? Reading one book each day is definitely going to be a lot of commitment. Am I ready for this? No, but I sincerely want to make a dent on my physical TBR before 2024 ends. I will give my fullest to read 31 books in 31 days, and for this challenge, obviously I got new books. Because why not? Diwali was there were bookstores that were giving books at such amazing discounts, and I went out of my mind. You will be shocked by the amount of books I got just in Diwali. I am planning to do a huge unboxing, but that will be coming in January after I finish this series. So to make things a little bit fun, I have wrapped all of these books in some amazing and beautiful wrappers that I got from my local bookstore. Just to give you an example, look how pretty this is. This is nowhere close to any kind of Christmas themed wrapping paper, but those were costing more. Since Christmas is coming, all of the things related to Christmas have started getting overpriced, and I don't want to spend that much of a money on a wrapping paper. Hence, even though I am using these to wrap books now, I will be reusing these in my other challenges in future, so they will be there. Okay, they will be there. You will see these a lot till the time they tear apart, till the time I cannot use them anymore. I belong from a middle class family, and we use, reuse, and recycle everything that you can see in our household. That is a really good thing, and you should also follow that in your life. Keeping all of these gyan aside, let's get back to this video. I have wrapped up a few books that are new, completely new, and obviously I do not remember which ones I packed because it was a long time ago. Okay, it was some time ago, 15-16 days ago, so I clearly do not have things in mind. And along with that, since I am also trying to finish my fall TBR, I will be also selecting 7 books from my fall TBR, but that will not be random. I don't want to read a very thick book in this challenge because that will exhaust me, and I don't want that. So I will be choosing the thinnest books. Let me go and grab the 7 thinnest books that I can find, and I'll come back. Okay, wait. I selected the 7 thinnest books, okay? And I have also decided that I will be reading a few ebooks as well because I want to switch the formats so that I get more motivated to sit and read every single book every single day. So I will definitely be switching formats. I will definitely be switching genres, and that is the reason why I got my fall TBR, because it has fantasy and mysteries, and I hope that I do not get any fantasy in this one because that will be a commitment. I don't want to do that to myself because I have tried reading fantasies in 24-hour readathons, and I feel like I cannot do justice to a book that has so many layers of world building and characters. As I go on with this journey of reading 31 books in 31 days for the month of December, I do have to keep a space for mood reads. I'm gonna do that via ebooks. Let me show you. These are all of the books, and do not mind my messy bed. Let's go with it. Let's just get over with it. You know, let's just start with this video. So first things first, let's choose the first 7 books that I will be reading in the month of December, the first week of December. Am I excited? Absolutely not. But do I have to do this? Absolutely yes. Because I made poor financial decisions and I have to face the consequences for that. What I have thought is I'll select one from this pile, and I'll select a few from these piles. Okay, we have a lot of books here. I don't know how much I can pick, so we choose a few from these ones, and then I'll check my Kindle and I'll see what ebook I am willing to read in this week. Let's start. I have lowered my camera angle a little bit because I guess it is easier for you guys to see as well. I guess I'll choose the books via random number generator. So let me check my laptop. Oh, okay, I'm getting old, guys. Everywhere hurts in my body. Let's select the first book from the fall TBR pile. Here I have my wheel, number 1 to 7. And where is my cursor? Let's go. So, I guess. Okay, from top, I'll be counting 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I'll select the other books, then I'll open all of these books together. So stick around. I hope that you can see the two piles. I will select 5 books from these two piles using random number generator. Let's count how many books do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 books. We have the wheel set. Let's go. The first number I got is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Going to the pile that I will be reading. I am displaying my reading pile here. Here goes the third book. Number 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, this seems to be a thick book, but okay, not that thick as well. Here is third book, the fourth book, eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the fifth book, at least I don't have to count. Automatically the last book comes to the first. The sixth book, which means it's 11. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got the 11th book. I'll clean that up later, but we have my physical TBR here for this week. Let's open them up and let me also decide which ebook I want to read as well. And my knees are killing me, Homa. Let's start with the first book. Since I want to reuse this wrapping paper, I'll be using my scissors. Otherwise, I will be tearing it up in ways that will not make me reuse this again. So I'll definitely try my best to save these papers. Let's see what the first book is. Okay, what is it? What is it? You will see first. Definitely. This will be my first ever Lynn Painter book. I'm very excited. Love Wager becomes the first book that I will be reading in the first week of December. This is a cute friends to lovers romance, so definitely I'm very excited. Let's see what other books I have now. Going with this one next. Let's see what the second book is. What is it? Oh, You Have a Match by Emma Lord. Look how beautiful the cover is, and definitely I got this book because of the cover. This is a summer romance, a new love and a summer she will never forget. I'm reading a summer romance in winters. This is to me an absolutely perfect combination. I'm very excited to read this one. Let's open the third package, which seems a little bit thick with respect to the other ones I just opened. So a little bit excited and a lot scared. I have been planning to read this book for a long time, and I got this one in an Amazon sale. Little White Lies by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I have full confidence that I will be able to finish this book in one day because the writing style of Jennifer Lynn Barnes is very fast paced. The characters have a lot of depth. There are so many secrets lying around. There are so many twists and turns in the books that I definitely cannot predict in her writing. So definitely I'm very excited to read this one. Let's open the next book. One Last Stop by Casey McQuiston, and I recently got this book. Just got this book this Diwali, and I have heard a lot of good things about this one. People have raved about this book a lot, and I'm really excited to see the writing, first of all, because I am not accustomed to this author. It's the first time I will be reading her work. So on one hand, I am very excited, but on the other hand, I'm scared. It can be a hit or miss for me, but let's see. Sometimes love stops you in your tracks. Oh, she is also the author of Red, White and Royal Blue, which I am yet to read, but that book is very famous and very loved by people. And the next book that I will be reading is What is it? Is it Ali Hazelwood? Oh, it is Loath to Love You by Ali Hazelwood. I got this book in an online second-hand bookstore, the Basement Bookstore. I'll put the link in my description. You can go and check it out. I love and adore that bookstore, so I also want that bookstore to be famous also. After reading Love Theoretically, my perspective towards Ali Hazelwood's writing has changed, and I'm so happy because of that, because I do not want to be someone who is hating on a particular author where everybody is raving about her, where everybody is enjoying her works, and in those kind of situations, I do feel like I'm missing something out. There might be something wrong with me, that I am not understanding what good is written by this author. But yes, when I read Love Theoretically, I understood why people are raving about her works, and hence I got a lot of Ali Hazelwood's books, and this is one of them. This is a novella. I did not know that. We have 3 stories and 1 exclusive bonus chapter as well. This will be a fun read. Since this is a novella, it will be easier for me to navigate this book in one day. I'm very excited, very, very happy. Now let's open my Fall TBR's book that I will be reading this week. I'm screwed, guys. I told you that I don't want to read a fantasy. A Tempest of Tea by Hafsa Faizal. The concept of this book is really very interesting. I seriously want to do justice to this book, and also the font size is very small. Okay, can you see? Look at the font size. This is going to be a pain. The story is about Arthi Kashmir, who is a criminal mastermind and a collector of secrets. This will be a fantasy with high stakes, a lot of adventure, and I guess friendships and found family trope as well. Even though I am very scared to read a fantasy in one single day, but I'm also very excited that I will be finally reading this book. Now I have my Kindle on, and let's see what book I'll read. I have decided that I will go for a thriller because I already have a lot of romances in my TBR pile. And how can I start this challenge without reading a Frida McFadden's book? So I have decided that I will go for The Housemaid is Watching by Frida McFadden. This is available for free on Kindle Unlimited in India. And this is the 3rd book in the Housemaid series. I have read the first 2 books and I'm planning to go for the 3rd one next. I was putting this book away for some time now, and it is high time for me to start reading it. So yes, I'll be reading this as the ebook. So these are all of the books that I'm planning to read in the first week of December. Guys, wish me luck, because this is a chunky pile. Even though I'm very excited to read these ones, but I'm also very scared, very frightened whether I'll be able to finish all of these or not. Let's see what happens. Today is the last day of November. I'll see you guys tomorrow with my first book. Bye bye.